Hi everyone.
Hi sir.
So today we are going to discuss very important topic in strategic management, right? So strategic management process, right? So everyone know about the strategic management process, right? So what do you mean by strategy? Anyone? What do you mean by strategy? Vision and mission, right? Vision is a
Long-term.
short-term goal and vision is a long-term goal, right? There is a difference between that. So in the strategic management process, we are going to align with the DT stages, right? Everyone know about the DT, right? Design thinking. So what are the stages of design thinking? Empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test, right? So the 5 stages it will be aligned with that strategic management process. Okay. So process means there are the steps in the follow in the process, right? So what is the first one? Strategic plan. Like strategic plan. It's nothing but strategic formation. Okay. Then after the planning, what you will do? Strategic formation, strategic planning, and strategic implementing, right? Strategic evaluation, strategic control, right? So these are the stages. So strategic formation means how to form into strategies, right? For example, if you take a define. So identify the problem. Okay. So problem is nothing but it's empathize. So for example, in an organization, we are going to formulate the strategy. So what are the strategies we are going to follow? How many employees are paid for the job, right? Then how many departments in the job, right? So everything and how to attract the customers. That is the main problem, right? So every day, because in the current scenario we are using the AI, many technologies are there. So in the technology, so which one you are going to apt choosing for that, right? So that is the empathize. That is the define, right? I'm sorry, empathize. It's a problem identification. Okay. So next one, define. So strategic planning. You have to plan something. Next you are going to strategic implementation, right? I mean the strategic formulation and strategic implementation. So in that define, so you are going to lot of problems we are identifying, right? It's customer pain points. In that define, I mean the empathy stage, because there is no one problem, right? So for example, how to attract the customers, how to sell the product to the customers, right? Many strategies we are planning that, but we are going to select one problem in that define. Okay, so empathize, define. So which problem it will be most, for example, how to attract the customers mean now in every customers they like about that AI, right? In the current scenario we are using that AI. So everyone know about that. We are updated about that AI. So in the AI video animation or like that, how to attract the customers we are going to choose them. Okay. So you have to identify the particular problem is defined. Next one, what is that? Ideate. Ideate is nothing but brainstorm. You are having a lot of problems, but you will get the solution, right? So how to attract the customers? We discussed about AI and everything. But which one it will be apt for that? How to attract the customers, right? So that will be we are going to choose, right? So that is that brainstorming. So brainstorming means, for example, I am asking that how to attract the customers. Everyone having some solution, right? So any example, how to attract the customers?
Sir,
For example, low price, right? And high quality. So everyone is particular, customers point of view, right? So low price and high quality. So that's only that. For example, Amazon, Apple, right? Everybody they are using that strategy. Okay, high quality and also low price. Some of them they are having the high price as well as the high quality product. Clear? So empathize, define, and ideate. So in the brainstorming session, I am going to collect your all the solution and find out the best solution for the particular problem. Right? So empathize, define, ideate. Next one is prototype. You have to build a model, right? So for example, if you are going to switch on the fan means just you have to switch it and then only the fan will operate, right? So same like that you have to build the model. Okay, so in that our topic, I mean the strategic management process, strategic formation, I mean the strategic planning, formation, and strategic implementing, and strategic evaluation, right? So the same like the prototype, you have to build a model. So in that model, it will be helpful for to attract the customers. So how to sell the product to the customers, right? Then finally, testing. So testing is nothing but you are going to test that particular product with the customers. For example, if you are going to buy a manufactured bike or anything, right? So car or anything, first you have to test. The same like that, you have to attract the customers. So after you finish the product, then you have to test with the customers. The customers' feedback is very, very important. right? You have to conduct a survey, and also you conduct the survey. So depends upon the survey, you have to take a decision. Okay, so these are the 5 stages. It will be aligned with strategic management process. Clear? Everyone can understand?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you all. So next session we will discuss about some other topic. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.